The easiest and most consistent way to trade on Quotex is by relying on trading signals. And that's exactly what we include here in PipGems. It comes with a built-in tracking tool that helps you stay on top of every opportunity so nothing slips past you. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up and connect it directly to your Quotex platform. First, let's download the extension. Once it's downloaded, open it and extract the files. Now head over to the Extensions tab in your browser and click Load Unpacked. Make sure developer mode is switched on because we need it enabled to load the extension. Then locate the folder you just extracted, and as you can see, it's now attached. Next, let's open the AI Smart Screener. Here we set our start time from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., depending on when we want to wrap up our session. Then we fill in all the tradable pairs. You'll notice we already have live opportunities sitting in pending on the side. So what we'll do is track these pairs by clicking Track These Pairs. Once they're being tracked, set your signal interval to 1 minute. This keeps the signals from popping up constantly, giving you a steady interval so you don't get overwhelmed. Now let's head back to the Quotex app. Click here in the upper left corner to open the extension. We need to log into our account so PipGems and the extension can sync and link together. Once that's done, we have full access.
EUR, JPY call. 1 minute.
And there's our signal, your JPY, call for 1 minute. So we place the trade on that pair right away, call for 1 minute. Now we just wait for the trade to finish. One quick tip, make sure to unblock ads in your browser. We're using Brave here, so we turn off the ad blockers so the signals can come through directly into the Quotex app. And there we go. The trade played out nicely, closing green. Now let's wait for the next signal. Just keep an eye out for the pop-up alert confirmation. One important reminder, make sure to trade only the normal currencies, not the OTC ones. And remember, past results do not guarantee future results.
EUR, USD call.
There it
1
is,
minute.
Euro USD,
EUR,
a call signal.
USD
Let's
call.
go ahead and trade on it.
1 minute.
You can also tweak the settings to have the voice alert repeat or play just once, whatever works best for you. And the trade closed green. Give the PipGems app a try today and trade with more confidence in every setup.
EUR, CAD call. 1 minute. EUR, AUD call. 1 minute. EUR, CAD put. 1 minute. USD, JPY call. 1 minute. USD,